and today I'm going to show you how to use the mobile app that we have launched for the 2016 UNM Mentoring Conference. And my name is Sunil, by the way. And so let's go ahead and start looking how to use it. So I just made a PowerPoint slide so that we can keep a track of what we are exactly doing step by step. So this is the link where we have the app. So let's just copy this link, Control C, open a browser, any favorite browser. I'm using Safari, but you can use Google Chrome or Firefox or anything. So let's paste the link and press enter. So you'll be wondering why it says a mobile app tutorial and why am I using a web browser. The the best part about this app is like it's it has a web application as well and you can use it on the phone as well. So if you just minimize or like adjust the screen, it becomes exactly the way it would look on the phone, on your phone screen. So let's make it this way so we can actually see it how it would look on a phone or an iPhone or Android phone. It works on everything. So this is the front page of the app where you will be able to see all the conference details that we have and where it is going to be. So it's going to be at the Student Union building. Every year we held our conference at the Student Union building. So the first thing I would suggest you to after you download and open the app, I would suggest you to log in as a user because if you're not a user, if you're not a logged in user, there are many features you won't be able to use it. So let's just go ahead and click on the login button here on the top left corner of the screen and click login. So it's asking for your first name, so let me enter my first name, my last name, and click next. So it's asking me for my email, so my email ID, there you go. And since I already have an account, so I have my own confirmation number. But since if you are a new user and if you don't have a confirmation, just go here and create a new account and just enter your email here and it will send you an email with your confirmation code. Just take that code, come back to the screen and enter it, and you'll be able to log in as a user to this mobile app. So let me enter my user code that I have and finish. So there you go. So now you can see that it comes, my name and my pic comes here. In order to just upload your pic, go in edit profile and click the choose files here or here, and then you'll be able to select any file from your computer or from anywhere from your laptop. So I already have my profile pic there, so I won't worry about it. So after we have logged in, we have completed the second step. So let's take how to exactly look for a particular presentation. So if you click on the top left three lines over here, it will show you out the navigation bar. So this is our navigation bar for the app. So if you see over here, this is the schedule or the schedule that you say. So click on the schedule and it will show you all the schedules that are that are going to be happening on Monday, and these are the presentations that are going to happening on Tuesday, and similarly all the days, Thursday and Friday. So in order to look at any presentation, just go ahead and click on it. So these are all sorted according to the times. So if you see, these are the presentations that are going to be held at 9 o'clock in the morning, and similarly these are the presentations that are going to be held at 10 o'clock. So go ahead and click on any presentation you like. So let me click on this one. So there you go. So you are able to see the title of the presentation and the time and the date of the presentation is going to be happening in the sub. and this is the abstract of the whole paper. So you can go through the abstract before you go and attend a presentation in order to get a better idea of what exactly is going to happen in that in that presentation. And this is the list of the speakers who are going to actually present the abstract or the paper in front of us. This is Susan Richard. And if you go ahead and click on this user, you'll be able to see the number of presentations he or she is going to present at the conference. So this user has only one presentation at our conference. So yeah, let me go back, and similarly on Thursday, you can go ahead and look around different presentations that we have and read the abstract, check for the list of presenters who is presenting that abstract. So said that, let's let's now check how to actually add a particular presentation to your schedule so that you know, okay, on this day I have to attend this presentation. So it makes it really easy for you to keep a track of which presentations are you going to attend. So if you click on schedule over here, and you see a bar over here, it says schedule, then my schedule and invitations. So go ahead and click on my schedule. So as of now, I haven't selected anything for Monday. It's null for Tuesday, Wednesday, or anything on Thursday as well. So let's go and add some schedule or presentations to my schedule. So let's see, on Monday there's a presentation called as Neuroscience and Mentoring, a toolkit for building effective mentoring networks. So if I want to add this presentation to my schedule, you'll be able to see a plus sign or addition sign on the right side of the screen. So if you click on this button, this presentation will go into your schedule. So let's go ahead and click this one. So do you see that the plus sign is now become a minus sign? That means it has already added to your schedule. So let's go ahead in my schedule and see whether it has actually added it or not. So yeah, this is the presentation that we added to our schedule. So if you want to take off this presentation of your schedule, just click on the minus sign over here and it will be gone. Yeah, so it's no more there. So this is how you add and remove a presentation to your schedule. We strongly recommend you guys to go ahead and make your own schedule so that we can keep a track of how many people are attending a particular session, so we can make arrangements accordingly. So the fifth point is the list of speakers. So you click on the three lines over there on the top left corner, scroll down a little bit, and see this is the list of the speakers. So if you click over here, it will give you all the list of the speakers. So yeah, this is a sorting method. Just click on speakers by name, and it will give you all the list of the speakers that are going to present at the conference. You can click any of the speakers that you want and check what are they exactly presenting at the conference. So this is the abstract, the name of the abstract that this person is going to present at the conference. The next thing is maps. So let's go ahead and click on maps over here. So it will show you three options. So the first one is the student union building. This is where we are going to have our conference. And then these are the two floors of the student union building. So this is the level 2 and level 3. So let's go ahead and click on the first one. There's the student union building. So it will show you a map that has pins. So if you click one of these pins, it will show you this pin represents the location of the student union building. So you can like zoom in and see exactly where it is. This is on Central. This is the University of New Mexico. So go ahead and click on the name of the student union building so you can have access to more information. So this gives a description. So these are few links that you might find useful in order to actually look where your presentation is beforehand. So let me go and show you one of them that says sub floor plan. So yeah, this is how exactly the floor plan looks like. And these are the various rooms that we have. So the the plenary sessions or the registration and the workshops will be held at the level 2 at the ballrooms A, B, and C, and this is the level 3 where we have concurrent presentations. So yeah, this is how actually it looks like, the map of the sub. You may find it useful. Let's go to our screen mode of a mobile. That makes us. So yeah, so then let's go to and this is basically showing you the sub level 2 is going to show you the map of the sub level 2. Then let's check what's there in the level 3. It gives you the image. This is basically image that shows you where exactly the lower room A and B, the room domain area is located, and etc. The last, the second last point is search tools. So yeah, if you want to search anything specifically, for example, if let's say let's say I have few questions and I want to say where is the FAQ page, that's the frequently asked questions. So I'll just go ahead and type FAQ and it will give me. So do you see over here it says FAQ? So go ahead and click on this link over here, and it will give all the information that has been, like, general information, registration information, technical information, everything that you want. And then you have a doubt, just go ahead and visit this page. It's really helpful if you need something. Similarly, if you want to search for transportation, just go ahead and search for transportation, and there you go. So if you click on transportation, you'll see we have provided with the a list of all the transportation that we have in Albuquerque, the Sunport, the Amtrak, the shuttle, the rapid ride. It's a pretty good piece of information. You should take a look at it. Let's search for hotels. So hotels. So these are the two hotels with which we have tied up. So this, one of them is Sheraton Albuquerque Airport Hotel, Holiday Inn Airport Hotel. If you haven't yet made your reservation in any of the hotels, you can click on this link and it will take you directly where you can. It takes you to our website where you can actually go ahead and make a reservation over here. So get conference rates. We have discount rates for the attendees of the conference as well as the presenters. And the last thing is we strongly recommend you to give us a feedback. So what do you think of the conference? So if you go ahead and click on this 2016 conference evaluation, and please give us some feedback that we can know how we performed at the conference. That's all I just covered the most important points that you need in order to operate the app, but there is a lot of other stuff that you can go ahead and play around it. And if you have any questions, any doubts, feel free to email us at mentor@unm.edu, and we'll reply to you as soon as possible.